Dear listeners, welcome to the English news program from Radio Mogadishu, the voice of Somali Republic. Today, the major headlines include President Rajab Tayyip Erdogan will receive his Somali counterpart President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud to discuss military relations as well as regional issues. Government passes bill to address threats of climate change. Somali Finance Ministry meets donor representative in Nairobi. Mercedes strikes Egypt's Taba resort town near Israel border. President Rajab Tayyip Erdogan will receive his Somali counterpart President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud in Istanbul to discuss bilateral relations as well as regional issues. The two leaders will meet at the Dolmarha office while no joint press briefing is expected. The regional conflict between Israel and Hamas and the unfolding humanitarian crisis in Gaza are expected to be on the agenda of the leaders as Somali capital Mogadishu has been scene of large protests to support Palestinians similar to Turkey. Somalia is enjoying close economic, diplomatic and military relationships with Turkey that has been growing since Erdogan visited Somalia in 2011. The Cabinet Ministry of Federal Republic of Somali passes the National Meteorological Agency bill at the weekly ministerial meeting. This important bill aims to provide timely and efficient meteorological data on climate changes and weather-related threats. The minister stated that establishing National Meteorological Agency will safeguard the citizens' well-being and promote sustainable environmental benefits. The cabinet minister emphasizes that this bill meets the rigorous standards articulated by the World Meteorological Organization (WMO). The Federal Minister of Environment and Climate Change, Honorable Khadija Muhammad Al-Magazumi, underscored the importance of this bill to providing a timely precautionary steps, especially during this highly anticipated rainy season. Gratitude to the Cabinet for the approval of this historical bill, paving the way of the establishment of the National Meteorological Agency. This significant street is dedicated to ensuring the provision of timely and warning data for climate and weather-related threats in strict alignment with the rigorous standards articulated by the World Meteorological Organization, said Khadija Muhammad Al-Magazumi. The Minister of Finance of Federal Government of Somalia, His Excellency Bihi Iman Ige, held a meeting with some of the ambassadors and representatives of donor countries in Nairobi. The meeting focused on the development of Somalia finance sector and the implementation of debt relief plan, which is nearing completion. The minister thanked the donors for their support and cooperation with Somalia, discussed how to enhance the partnership after the debt relief process is finalized. Somalia has been working to achieve debt relief under the heavily indebted poor countries initiative, which will unlock new resource of financing and reduce its debt burden. The country reached the decision point in March 2020 and is expected to reach the completion point by early 2024. At least 6 people have been wounded after missiles struck the Egyptian resort town of Taba near the Israel border, according to report from local media. The missiles on Friday morning hit an ambulance facility and resident building for the administration of the Taba Hospital, Egypt. Al-Qahira News said, citing local resources. Al-Qahira said unidentified bodies fell near an electricity plant in Nuwela, citing sources with knowledge of the matter. Investigations into the incident were underway. The network cited it is source saying Nuwela is 72 kilometers from Taba, which is about 220 miles from Gaza Strip. Dear listeners, that is the end of our English news program from Radio Mogadishu, the voice of Somali Republic. I am Muhammad. Until we meet on the next time, goodbye.